Now come to exercise 4.1. Say question number 1. Complete the last column of the table. Say first part. X plus 3 equal to 0. Here put x equal to 3. Say whether the equation is satisfied or not. Here simply put value of x equal to 3. You will get 3 plus 3 equal to 0. And if you add 3 plus 3, you will get 6. And here 6 is not equivalent to 0. Therefore, your answer is no. Because here left hand side, it is not equivalent to right hand side. Now come to second part. X plus 3 equal to 0. Here put x is equal to 0. In the given equation put x is equal to 0. You will get 0 plus 3 equal to 0. And 0 plus 3 it is 3. And 3 is not equivalent to 0. Therefore, your answer is no. Because here left hand side it is not equivalent to right hand side. Now come to third part. X plus 3 equal to 0. Here x is equal to minus 3. Here put x is equal to minus 3. What will you get? Minus 3 plus 3 equal to 0. And minus 3 plus 3 it will be 0. 0 it is equivalent to 0. Here left hand side it is equivalent to right hand side. Your answer is yes. This value of x satisfies the equation. Now come to fourth part. It is x minus 7 equal to 1. Here x is equal to 7. Here put x is equal to 7. What will you get? 7 minus 7 equal to 1. Here 7 minus 7 it is 0 and 0 is not equivalent to 1. Therefore, left hand side it is not equivalent to right hand side. Your answer is no. Because left hand side it is not equivalent to right hand side. Now come to fifth part. X minus 7 equal to 1. Here take x is equal to 8. Here replace x by 8. What will you get? 8 minus 7 equal to 1. Here 8 minus 7 it is 1. 1 equal to 1. Here left hand side it is equivalent to right hand side. Therefore, your answer is yes. Because it satisfies the given equation. Then come to sixth part. It is 5x equal to 25. And here x is equal to 0. Here put x is equal to 0. What will you get? 5 within the bracket 0 equal to 25. And if you solve it, what will you get? 5 into 0, it is 0 and it is not equivalent to 25. Here left hand side it is not equivalent to right hand side. Therefore, your answer is no. This value of x does not satisfy the given equation. Now come to seventh part. 5x equal to 25. Here x is equal to 5. Here put x is equal to 5. you will get 5 in place of x. Write down 5 equal to 25. If you open the bracket, what will you get? 5 5 ja 25. You will get 25 equal to 25. Here left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore your answer is yes. Now come to eighth part. 5x equal to 25. Here x is equal to minus 5. Here replace x by minus 5. What will you get? 5 within the bracket minus 5 equal to 25. Open the bracket. What will you get? 5 into minus 5, it is minus 25, and minus 25 is not equivalent to 25. Therefore your answer is no, because left hand side it is not equivalent to right hand side. Now come to ninth part. M upon 3 equal to 2. Here m is equal to minus 6. Here simply put m is equal to minus 6. What will you get? Minus 6 upon 3 equal to 2. And if you solve it, here 3 1 ja 3 2 ja 6. That is minus 2 equal to 2. Minus 2, it is not equivalent to 2. Here left hand side it is not equivalent to right hand side. Therefore your answer is no. It is not a solution of given equation. This does not satisfy the given equation. Then come to 10th part. It is m upon 3 equal to 2. M is equal to 0. Here replace m by 0. You will get 0 upon 3 equal to 2. 0 divided by 3. What will you get? It is 0, which is not equivalent to 2. Therefore left hand side it is not equivalent to right hand side. Therefore it is not, this value of x does not satisfy the given equation. Your answer is no. Now come to 11th part. M upon 3 equal to 2. Here m equal to 6. Here replace m by 6. You will get 6 upon 3 equal to 2. What will you get? Here 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, that is 2 equal to 2. Here left hand side it is equivalent to right hand side. Therefore this satisfies the given equation. Therefore your answer is yes. Now come to question number 2. Check whether the value of given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. See A part. N plus 5 equal to 19, n equal to 1. See the solution. A part. Here n plus 5 equal to 19 and n equal to 1. Here put here left hand side of the given equation is n plus 5. Put n is equal to 1. What will you get? You will get left hand side equal to 1 plus 5, that is 6. And what is right hand side? Right hand side equal to 19. Here left hand side it is 6, right hand side it is 19. Since left hand side is not equivalent to right hand side, therefore n is equal to 1 is not the solution of given equation. Now come to B part. Here it is 7n plus 5 equal to 19 and n is equal to minus 2. Stay left hand side. It is 7n plus 5. Put n is equal to minus 2. Therefore left hand side will be 7. Here replace n by minus 2 plus 5. You will get 7 into minus 2. It is minus 14 plus 5. What will you get? You will get minus 9. And right hand side, what is the right hand side of equation? It is 19. Since here what we observe, that left hand side is not equivalent to right hand side. Therefore n equal to minus 2 is not the solution of given equation. Now come to C part. It is 7n plus 5 equal to 19. N equal to 2. Here say left hand side equal to 7n plus 5. Put n equal to 2. What will you get? Left hand side. Here replace n by 2 plus 5. What will you get? Open the bracket. 7 to the 14 plus 5. 14 plus 5, it is 19. And what is right hand side? It is also 19. What we observe? That left hand side and right hand side are equal. The sense left hand side equal to right hand side. Therefore, n equal to 2 is a solution of given equation. Now come to D part. 4p minus 3 equal to 13. P equal to 1. P equal to 1. Say left hand side equal to 4p minus 3. Here put p equal to 1. Therefore, left hand side will be 4. Replace p by 1 minus 3. Solve it. 4 into 1, it is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, it is 1. And what is right hand side? It is 13. What do we observe? That left hand side, it is not equivalent to right hand side. Since left hand side is not equivalent to right hand side, therefore n equal to sorry p equal to 1 is not the solution of given equation. Now come to E part. 4p minus 3 equal to 13. P equal to minus 4. Here left hand side of the given equation is 4p minus 3. Here put P equal to minus 4. Therefore, left hand side equal to 4. Replace P by minus 4. Minus 3. What will you get? 4 into minus 4, it is minus 16. Minus 3, you will get minus 19. And what is right hand side? Right hand side is 13. What we observe? That left hand side it is not equivalent to right hand side. Since left hand side is not equivalent to right hand side, therefore P equal to minus 4 is not the solution of given equation. Now come to F part. 4P minus 3 equal to 13. P equal to 0. Here see left hand side, it is 4P minus 3. Put P equal to 0. The left hand side will be 4. Replace P by 0. Minus 3. Solve it. 4 into 0. It is 0. Minus 3. 0 minus 3 is minus 3. And what is right hand side? It is 13. What do we conclude? That left hand side it is not equivalent to right hand side. Since left hand side is not equivalent to right hand side, therefore P equal to 0 is not the solution of given equation.